And from nature of roots, delta is not supposed to be equal to 0 since the two equations don't intersect anywhere. Hence we know that delta is equal to b squared minus 4ac, which is not equal to 0. We also know that b is equal to 22t minus 4 all squared minus 4a, and we know a is equal to 1 plus t squared times c, whereby c equal to 100, which is not equal to 0.
Now let's expand and simplify 22t minus 4 all squared.
Punching 20 to squared on your calculator, giving us 484.
22t all squared will then be 484t squared.
Minus 22t times 4, the product of the two terms times 2.
Now punching 22 times negative 4 times 2 on our calculator, we get negative 176. This implies negative 176t.
And negative for squared is equal to positive 16. Negative for times 100 gives us for 100, and 400 times t squared giving us negative for 100t squared, which is not equal to 0.
Now grouping like terms, 484t squared minus 400t squared gives us 84t squared minus 176t. And 16 minus 400 gives us negative 384, which is not equal to 0.
Now we can see that this is a quadratic equation using the quadratic formula negative b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. We will then substitute values of b, which is negative 176a, as 84, and c, which is equal to negative 384.
Substituting into our quadratic formula, minus b, whereby b is equal to negative 176, plus into square root of b squared, as negative 176 all squared, minus for a, c, which is then minus for times 84 as our a, times negative 384 as c, all over 2 times 84, giving us 20 for over 7. Therefore, our positive gradient will then be t equal to 20 for over 7. Using the negative sign to find the negative gradient, the quadratic formula gives us negative for